What is up, guys? It's Newman here, and you are welcome to another video. Now, in today's video, I'll be showing you how to read this balance equity free margin, how to understand the terms there is. Okay, so for that, I'll just place a random trade here, okay, so that we can get started. Okay, so as you can see, we have the balance, which is the first one, the equity, the margin, free margins, and margin level, which is usually displayed in percentages. Okay, so briefly, the balance is the amount which is in your account before opening the trade, or the amount of money that you had before you open the trade. It could also be the amount of money that you see when you close the trade. This right here, the very first one, the balance. Okay, so there my balance is 99,932.14 USD. Then you come to equity. Equity is like the balance plus your profit or your loss. So in this case, right now the trade is running in a loss, that is minus what, minus $1 roughly. Okay, so it means that I'll be subtracting, or when I subtract this minus $2 here, when I subtract it from the balance, then I'll be getting the equity. In case it was if it was in profit, then I'll have to add the amount to my balance in order to get the equity value. Okay, so that's simply how to find the equity. Now we move on to the margin. The margin talks about the amount of money, or like the amount needed in order to place this trade. Okay, so this trade here with this particular lot size, the margin talks about the amount of money that you need to place this particular trade. Okay, so this is, I'm buying 0.1 gold or ox USD at that particular lot size. So it tells me that I need 183 USD to place such a trade. So that's for the margin. Okay, then we move on to free margin. The free margin can be calculated by subtracting the margin from the equity. So as you already know, the equity, which is your balance plus your profit or your loss, and then you subtract the margin from it to get the free margin. So that's some calculation to do there. And then moving on to the margin level, which is normally in percentage. Now it's displayed in percentage because if you want to find the margin level, you have to divide your equity by your margin and multiply everything by 100, or multiply it by 100 to get the margin level percentage. Okay, I'll try to put some displays on the side to make it easier. So that's basically it. So if I'm to close this trade right now I'm running at a loss, but I want to close this trade. This is a demo account. Okay, done. So mostly what happens is that when you are currently not in any trade, though all the figures will be the same. Okay, you're going to have the same figures here, but unless your trade is currently running, then all this you'll be able to do the calculation. So that's how to find the various values and their meanings. Okay, the balance being the amount that you had before entering the trade, or the amount that you have after closing the trade. The equity is your balance plus your profit or loss. Your margin is the least amount needed to enter that particular trade with the exact lot size. Okay, then you have the free margin being equity minus margin. When you subtract your margin from your equity, then you can get the free margin. And last but not least, the margin level, which is equity divided by margin times 100. So if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and also leave a comment in the comment section below. I'll do my best to reply. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more contents like this. See ya.